It's Monday morning. Emma is going to work. She is standing at the bus stop. She is waiting for the bus, but the bus is late. Emma is looking at her watch. "Oh no, I'm late," she says. She is looking around. Many people are standing and waiting too. Some people are reading their phones. Some are looking down the street. One old man is sitting on the bench. Next to him, a young girl is drinking coffee. She is smiling. Emma is checking her phone too. She is opening her messages. She is typing. The bus is late. Again. She is getting tired and angry. Now she is thinking, maybe I should take a taxi. But taxis are expensive. She is looking for a taxi. No taxi is coming. Suddenly, the sky is changing. The clouds are getting dark. It starts to rain. Emma is not happy. She is holding her bag over her head. Some people are opening umbrellas. The old man is folding his newspaper and covering his head. The girl is running to the small shop next to the bus stop. Emma is calling her friend. "Can you help me? The bus is still not here." Her friend is laughing on the phone. Again, "Emma, the bus is always late." Emma is smiling, even though she is wet. "Yes, again," she says. She is waiting. She is waiting. She is waiting. Minutes are passing slowly. Finally, after 30 minutes, the bus is coming down the street. The people are standing up. Everyone is smiling. Emma is getting on the bus. She is sitting near the window. She is taking a deep breath. She is watching the rain on the glass. She is thinking, at last, I am on the bus. Now she is happy. She is going to work. Let's learn some new words from the story. Bus stop. The place where you wait for a bus. Watch. What you wear to see the time. Rain. Water falling from the sky. Phone. For calling or texting. Thinking. When you use your brain to make decisions. Sitting. Being on a chair or the ground. Standing. On your feet. Looking. Using your eyes to see. Great job learning with Emma. Keep watching Emma's English Days to learn English with fun and stories.